Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed. PMCS item number 59. Interval after. Item to be checked or serviced. Module frames and clamp blocks. Procedure 1. Check front and rear module frames for cracked or broken welds or structural damage. Equipment not readily available if module frame has structural damage. Procedure 2. Check all clamp blocks, mounting pins, and hardware for damage, looseness, or missing hardware. Equipment not readily available if hardware damaged, loose, or missing. Refer to Husky 2G Operator Manual for additional information and procedures.